Okay, so we're going outside. Not too bad. The ground would have warmed up by now, so it's warm enough for Lily to put her little belly on. But I'm going to grab my blanket because I don't want to sit on the grass myself, and mainly because of the green ants, not anything else. But yeah, let's give Lily some time to at least use the bathroom. My life story, isn't it, guys? Taking snakes to get them to go to the bathroom. Well, not to get them. I don't need to get them to go. They certainly know to go. And as you can see, beautiful, whoa, sunny day up there. And the sun is warm. Really, really warm. Now, what am I going to do with Lily after I've got her out first up and she's actually been to the toilet? Am I going to be just picking her up and taking her back inside and putting her home? Nope. I will, unfortunately, got Noah here today. I will get him to come out and watch Lily, and I will get Jack and bring him out, and then Noah can watch both of them, and I will go and get Jesse and bring him out, and then that'll be done in the reverse. Of course, Lily will ultimately be going up onto the hangout spot. Jack and I might stay down the bottom, and Jesse can go on the jungle gym. And we'll have a day where I have 3 out and about, you know, just enjoying outside of their home. So, yeah, I've just got, you know, it just takes Lily a little while to, you know, have her little squiz around and see what's happening on out here. And then generally once she does, she will then cruise and find a great spot to go to the toilet. And they are like that, guys. They find a spot more often than not. They just won't, oh yeah, I'll just go here. They move around a bit, and then when they feel really comfortable, then they go to the bathroom. So no, my videos are not within that. This is my collection of, and this is the species and the genetics and so forth. My videos are not that. And occasionally I throw in care of them, but this is care of them. This is how I care for them. And I know a lot of you don't. You just have snakes that mess inside their enclosures or tubs, and you go in and you clean it up. I don't live that life with my snakes. It's certainly not my big guys, who are very much used to being able to come on out here and be able to use the outdoors as their toilet. They're very proud snakes, and they're very clean snakes. They do not want to mess in their enclosures. And I know Lily doesn't want to mess in her enclosure. And she knows me well enough to know she doesn't have to. And I want her to be comfortable. I don't want her hanging on to go to the toilet because I've just not brought her outside. So in winter, it is certainly more difficult for me. So I do take the opportunity on these beautiful days to get my guys out and give them that opportunity. Otherwise I wouldn't be doing the right thing by them at all. And I guess if you don't want that responsibility with your snake, to be in tune with them. Oh, sorry darling, I moved my hand really quick there. If you don't want the responsibility of tuning into them and understanding their routine and the responsibility of bringing them outside to use the bathroom, then don't start it with them. That would be horrible. Sure, they'd go back to messing in their enclosure because they wouldn't be able to hang on forever and ever, but you might end up with a snake that becomes constipated, or, you know, gets blocked up there. And trust me, that could happen. Especially my Jack. My goodness. I know he would not go to the bathroom unless I brought him outside. So, you know, yes, he'll urate, but he certainly won't do the other. He doesn't like it at all. So she's going to be a little while, guys. She's still just sort of hanging close to me at this point. Just takes them a little while to feel the grass under their butt, but you soon sort of know that they're getting ready to. Oh, sorry darling, you're very flinchy today, and I don't understand why, sweetie. Why are you being so flinchy? Hey? What's actually happening? Hey, sweet. Hey? What's going on? Hey? Yeah, sometimes she just is more flinchy than others, or I just move too quick, you know, just not thinking and remembering, you know, if I bump her nose slightly, to her it's a dreadful scenario, even though I'm not hurting her, but it's just Lily. So I'll turn it off like I said, and I know she'll go. It's just a matter of when she decides to. So I'll be back with Jack soon. Well, as you can see, if that's not blurred, Lily has finally found the right spot to go, and so now she'll go to the toilet. Hopefully she'll do more than urate. She may move on and find a cleaner spot to do the rest. But welcome to my life with toileting snakes, just like my dogs, letting them go outside to use the bathroom too. But yeah, here comes Noah, so I will be able to go and get Jack and bring him out, and she's checking Noah out. Noah says, oh, you know, every time he sees Lily out, oh, she's getting bigger. I don't see it. You know, to me she's the same. But I will go and bring her back. Yep, 2 hands. Good guy. Good support for Lily. Well, so you got to do, but it's 2 hands with Lily now. She gets pretty determined though. to go where she wants to go. That's my Lily, you know, stubborn as. That's the female, absolutely the female. People say it's all snakes, and yes, very true, it can be all snakes, but certainly I know from my males to my females, Lily is more adamant about where she wants to go and what she's doing. So to Jack, I see the difference in the gender with my snakes. So, but anyway, like I said, I've got to go and get Jack. Therefore, as always, I end up with, you know, a long video, and I apologise, you know, for my videos being so long. It is just the way that it is, and yeah, snakes don't do it in their time. They take their sweet time, and yeah, we can't kind of tell them to sit and stay and do and anything like that. They are as they are, and Lily is going back, and it'll be a battle of, I am going to get over there where I wanted to go. End of story, Mum. That's where I'm going, and I'm going back there. So yes, you can keep on coming back and forwards and getting me. So anyway, I will go get Jack now and bring him out. Well, I'm back, and yeah, with the boy Jesse, who is of course a jungle carpet python. Lily is a jungle with coastal in her, and you can visibly see the difference in a jungle and an intergrade. Of course, Jesse is a beautiful boy in many ways. I wouldn't put him at a high yellow, but he's certainly quite yellow. But he's a lovely fellow. Also a snake that likes to come on out and use the bathroom. So yeah, he gets the opportunity to venture on out and saves me a mess. And when you've got big snakes, guys, that's an absolute bonus to have. I go through a lot less substrate in their homes, and like I said, I think that I'm just not letting him go over there because of the I saw quite a few ants nesting over there, and a few have managed to crawl on the blanket. And you know, you can see Jesse isn't as, you know, out there outside it. He likes to take it slow, whereas Lily is so much sure of herself. And you know, Jesse's had many times out here outside and is very much used to it, but he tastes everything, every little spot. That tongue continuously is licking and tasting, and I'm sure he can taste Lily, well aware that another snake has been out here today. But yeah, it will just take him a little bit longer to get moving and grooving and finding that space for the toilet, or the spot. The spot. Now you've got to find that right spot, guys. It is how they all are, actually. He's not due, of course, for a feed for a few days, but certainly at this particular point would need the bathroom. So we bring you out, don't we, Jessie? Hey? What do you think, bud? Yep, he's growing. Growing into a big fellow. Got a lot of growing to do yet though. He's probably 2/3 grown in his size. Maybe a little bit less than that. But his head is getting bigger and bigger and bigger now. Which is, you know, that is what I love about carpets, is their heads. To me, they've just got amazing heads. Just like I love the ball pythons or the clowns. I just love their heads. It's, I don't know, just something about them. Especially our carpets. They're very big and chunky. Heads that they have, and very expressionally, is that a word? But you know what I mean. You can see expression in their faces as well. So he's going to take a little while, guys, so I won't leave the camera going again for a major length of time, because I still do have Jack to bring on out and let him have some outside time today. So yeah, I will flick it back on when Jack comes out. I don't know where Jessie's head's gone, but it's around there. I'll be back soon. So it would seem that Jessie has found his spot, and now he will of course go to the toilet. So that's 2 down today, and only 1 more to go. And that being, of course, Jack. So that's good. Love it. Terrific. Another lot of mess that I do not need to clean up as well. Hey, Jess. Smart snakes. Absolutely smart snakes. This is what we do. We come outside, we go to the toilet, and that isn't all of the time. Unless, of course, it is Jack and he's a trier. While he is outside, gives it a go. But certainly these guys know. Yep, wait. Mum's smart too. She'll get us out. And she'll take us outside. So next guy up, of course, will be Jack.